Welcome, everyone, to our special video showcasing the latest Eid Mehndi designs from Pakistan and India. Eid is a time of joy, celebration and togetherness. And what better way to adorn your hands than with stunning Mehndi designs that reflect the rich cultural heritage of these two beautiful countries. Whether you're looking for traditional patterns or modern twists, we've got you covered with the most trending designs this Eid season. Let's start with the classic Pakistani Mehndi designs. Known for their intricate detailing and elegance. This year, the trend is all about bold, dense patterns with a mix of floral and paisley motifs. One of the most popular designs is the full hand Mehndi, which covers the entire hand with delicate vines, flowers, and leaves, extending to the fingertips. The symmetry and precision of these designs are breathtaking, making them perfect for brides or anyone who wants to make a statement. Another trending style is the Arabic Pakistani fusion, which combines the boldness of Arabic designs with the fine detailing of Pakistani Mehndi. Think geometric shapes paired with intricate florals, a match made in heaven. On the other hand, Indian Mehndi designs are all about creativity and storytelling. This Eid, the spotlight is on peacock motifs, which symbolize beauty and grace. These designs often feature a large peacock on the palm, with its feathers spreading across the fingers and back of the hand. Another hot trend is the yali work or lattice patterns, which add a touch of sophistication to any design. Indian Mehndi also incorporates elements like mandalas, which are circular, symmetrical patterns that look mesmerizing on the palms. For those who love a bit of sparkle, adding glitter or stones to these designs is a great way to elevate your look. Now, let's talk about some unique trends that are taking over both Pakistani and Indian Mehndi styles. One of the most talked about designs this year is the negative space Mehndi, where the artist leaves certain areas of the hand bare to create a striking contrast. This minimalist approach is perfect for those who want something different yet elegant. Another trend is the use of white Mehndi, which gives a fresh and modern twist to the traditional brown henna. It's especially popular among younger generations who want to experiment with their Eid looks. For those who prefer something quick and easy, finger Mehndi designs are a great option. These designs focus on the fingers, with delicate patterns that are simple yet stunning. They're perfect for last-minute preparations, or for those who want a subtle yet beautiful look. As we wrap up, remember that Mehndi is not just about the design, but also about the memories you create while applying it. Whether you're sitting with your family, friends, or at a professional salon, the process of getting Mehndi is a cherished tradition that brings people together. So, this Eid, choose a design that speaks to your heart and adds a touch of beauty to your celebrations.